It's in Scottsdale, and we're here at the Tiki Oasis event. So let's go and check it out. There's a lot of cocktails, a lot of colors, a lot of things happening, a lot of important mixologists. I'm really excited to see.
And we're good? And hang on. And it's just like a Polaroid, so just 1 second. Shake it.
Yeah, I love the colors in here. It's so beautiful. The pink is my color, definitely.
You need some glasses.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Otto. O-T-T-O.
Otto. That's like a German name.
Yeah, that's my name.
Otto von Stroheim.
Yeah.
So you are the organizer. What are you? The main person behind Tiki Oasis.
Producer.
So we are here with Otto, who's the producer of this beautiful event. Can you tell us a little bit more? What is happening here?
People come to Tiki Oasis to experience the island lifestyle. We're paying homage to the 50s and 60s, which was an era that appreciated Hawaiiana and appreciated the tropics. Jet airplane travel was born in that era, and people had the ability to travel to the islands, and then they came back home and they wanted to enjoy what they had enjoyed in the islands, so they threw luau's in their backyard and they bought Hawaiian shirts and tried to wear them to work every Friday or something like that. And that's what we're doing here. We're just enjoying the mainland version of the tropical islands.
So this event, I've heard you have it in San Diego as well for 19 years. Where did everything start? I'm just curious.
We actually started in Palm Springs at a small hotel called the Tropics, which is still there. And the Tropics was born in the early 60s, and so we started there to support the Tropics and to preserve it and to save it in its original state of Tiki, rather than having it get remodeled into something more modern and renovated into a different style.
What kind of events can people expect at this? Like, it's 2 days or 3, how many days is it?
This event is 2.5 days.
Okay, and what is going on?
But our event in San Diego is 5 days.
Wow, that's a long time to drink.
It's a long time, it's very hard.
I see some amazing cocktails, I see great mixologists. Who do we have here that's like, I know that you have some famous cocktail makers.
We have the best of the best here.
Wow.
I mean, off the record, Martin Kate is here from Smuggler's Cove in San Francisco. But of our presenters, we have Brother Cleve from Boston, who used to be in the band Combustible Edison. And we have Beach Bum Berry, who is the preeminent tropical drink specialist. And he's got a bunch of books.
I love it. So how did you get connected to Hawaii? Is there something there? Have you lived there? I'm just curious.
I've never lived there, but I lived in Southern California. I was born and raised in the South Bay in California, in Torrance and in Santa Monica. And anybody who's been there knows that that's the tropical area of the mainland, right? It's the tropical of America, well, except for Florida. But Florida doesn't count for anything. Florida's not even part of the U.S.
Well, thank you very much for having us. I'm really enjoying this event, and I'm going to go get some cocktails. I'm here. I tried one already, and I was impressed, and thank you again.
As you should. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, what would you like?
Just a little float, maybe?
So what is going on here? I see a lot of pink, a lot of flamingos. Tell me more.
Yeah, we're also serving a lot of rum too.
Oh, I love that.
Haitian rum Barbancourt. We're doing a cocktail with 2 of our expressions, the white and the pango, which is the pango is macerated with pineapple and mango.
Okay.
And we're doing our version of a Dole Whip.
Should I try it? I'd love to.
Yeah, absolutely. So
I'm so excited to try this. I love pink cocktails. Rum is my favorite, I think.
this is called the Enchanted Tiki.
By the way, I love your guys' outfit. Like between the shirts.
Yeah.
So good. I'm like flamingos. My paradise here. That looks delicious.
It's gotta have an umbrella.
Very delicious. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave now because this drink is too good. See you! I love the colors here, they're so beautiful.
Thank you. Alright, good.
Alright, okay, aloha everybody. Aloha! Bosco, thank you for that introduction. If I had a soul, I'd be crying. as John Lennon famously said, before Elvis, there was nothing. And exactly the same can be said about Jeff Beachbum Berry in regards to tropical cocktails. Before Jeff, well, before Jeff started this, he was doing this all alone in the wilderness for almost 2 decades. There would be nobody else, no thing else, until now, thanks to Jeff. Accurately, Jeff is compared to Don the Beachcomber of the Revival, which is correct. But after spending years cracking the codes for all these great drinks, unlike Don the Beachcomber, Jeff put this out there for all of us. So something that was so secret years ago, now you can make these things at home. So in this way he was different.
Daniel Gallardo, Tiki Diablo is my
Tiki
artist.
Diablo, ¿de dónde eres?
De California.
Oh, de California. Hablas español.
Wow, pues,
Okay.
padres mexicanos.
So here we are with Daniel El Diablo. Can you tell us more about this beautiful Tiki event? I see a lot of cocktails, a lot of happening. I just love this whole island vibe.
Well, yeah, that's what it's about. It's cocktails, having a good time, permanent vacation, escapism, and just having a good time and not taking it too seriously.
So how did you guys decide to have it here in Arizona? Because I was told that they have it in San Diego for 19 years, so I just want to know.
Well, I mean, I think Arizona's Scottsdale is a perfect area. The setting couldn't be more perfect, and there's a local tiki bar that I may or may not have been involved in, Undertone.
Oh, I've been there. I love that bar. That's
So
amazing.
I did all
had a
the
great experience.
I did all the carvings there, and we make their tiki mugs. So it just seemed like a perfect fit.
So what is going to happen this weekend? Like, what is the program? What are the main events?
Well, it's always the star of the show is the cocktails and the art. So we're enjoying the cocktails now, and the art will be here this weekend. And whatever strikes your eye, get it, because it won't be there 5 minutes later.
Great, I love it. I'm going to go